Hey one, so in this video we'll see this important question which people mostly ask, like how you can reduce your image size. So in this video we will see the practical implementation of this, and we are going to do it with using a Spring Boot application, and we will reduce the size from 1 GB to 200 MB. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. So here you will see I have basically a Spring Boot application. Okay, and for now I'll just remove this target. So in the Spring Boot application, basically what happens, it creates a jar file, and whenever you build this Spring Boot application, we use the Maven. Okay, so Maven, what it does, whenever you will do so, it will download some packages. Then if you run this Maven install command, then it creates the output as a jar file. Then we run that jar file using some java-jar command. So for us, the important thing is the only the jar file. Why we need all these dependencies in our container, right? So basically, we what we will be doing, we will create first image. Okay, that will get normally only with all these things. We will see what is the size. So it will come approximately 1 point some GB. Then we are going to do next the multi-stage build using two different images. Okay, one we will use for the building, and second image we will use just to run. That will be the runtime image. Okay, which we will be using. So I'll just show you here. I'm going to use this Maven, this 3.8.3 OpenJDK 17, as my project is built on that 17 only. So we'll create the Docker file for this. So you can just do vi Docker file, and I'm going to use this base image. So let's do from base image. We'll create a working directory app, and we are going to copy everything. Then we are going to run this command clean. First clean we will do, then we'll do mvn install, and I have to skip the test. Okay, then we can use the cmd to run your jar file. So for that we have java, then second argument be jar, and then the path. So path is basically app. Inside app there will be a target folder will be created, and then demo dot 0.0. Okay, I need to see. Let me just do it here and install. So it will create for me the jar file so that I can see the name. Let's wait. Okay, I need to just do the clean here. Not clean, I will do the d skip test. Okay, so here I can see the name. I have to use the same name there. So just copy the name, and here I can just paste it. Okay, so now let's build it using docker build, and let me just remove this target directly as it is not required. Then docker build hyphen t user service, you can just write, and the dot. Oh yeah, so it will take around 2-3 minutes of time, maybe. First time if you will do, then it will take, but second time I'm doing, so it will just go for cleaning, as because all these already packages, it is there in a cache. So that is also one important thing you can remember in the interviews, like docker maintains the caches of your instructions, so that build time will reduce. So once this build is done, I will show you the size of the image. Then next what we are going to do, next time, first we'll use this image only for building our like application, or building like getting jar. And next time what we will be doing, I'm going to use this image, and I'm going to copy the jar file from the first stage to the second stage. Okay, so that is the thing we will be doing. So once it's done, we will see. Okay, So here you can see image we have built. So if I see the size docker images and then just do the grep, so you'll see the size is of around 1 GB. Okay, so that's a huge size. You can't transfer this easily. So now what we are going to do, we are going to create a different stages. So this is the first stage. We'll give the name as the builder stage. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is that then I'm going to use this another image which I have decided that is just a runtime image of JRE. So that I'm going to do. Then you will use the copy keyword with from equal to. So here you will give the builder, and then you have to give the path from where you have to copy the jar file. So at this path this jar is present, and dot I will give to like paste into the same directory. So here I'm just add one more instruction of workdir app, and here we can just remove the jar. Okay, all those parts, because we are already in app, and in app it will have this jar file. So now just for demonstrate you, I will just run it normally. So you could not load a main class jar. Okay, something happened. Okay, that you can leave it, or we have given some different command. Yeah, we have given the wrong command. It should be hyphen jar. Yeah, so that's fine, no issues. You can just, we have to focus on this image size. Now what we are going to do, I will simply run it again, and I will give the name as user service multi-stage. Okay, and dot. So spelling mistake. Hmm. So now the image which we will see, and you can see the clearly the difference between both images, how much difference is there. So let's see. So now it's installing, and in the next stage it will just copy this jar file and put it into our the new image, that is which is the stage 2 image. So let's see. Okay, so here you can see this stage copy from builder this and all. Okay, now if I just do the docker images and grep user, so you will see the difference. So you can see the size is now 242 MB, and if I just run this docker user service ms, so you will see it will go and start my Spring Boot application, as it won't run because of some database connection issue. So that is different thing. So in this way, you can just reduce your Docker image sizes, and you can tell this in your interviews and all. Okay, like what you have done, you just build you. In one stage, you build your image, your dependencies, your binaries, whatever you want. In second stage, you simply copy it into the one runtime image environment, and there you are just running that image. So this is the thing. So that's it guys for this video, and if you have any other question, you can just ask me in the comment section, and yeah, I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.